and welcome back for a new page here. So as you guys see, if you watch my videos, you know I like to activate my palette, my paint palette, with a little squirt of water, and I want to do this page blue and gold. So I'm going to take, let me get my little color thing here. I want to use this azure blue here. Try to make it so you can see what I'm talking about. I want to use the azure blue, maybe a little ultramarine light, but I for sure want to use this regular blue too. And then I'm going to use my Modern Masters gold, and of course this is my sonnet kit here, so there's that cover. And then my Modern Masters doesn't have a cover, it's just my metallic set. I'm using this lighter gold out of there. So I'm going to go ahead and play some music and let's get started.